Today in the El Yucateco kitchen, we're serving up an oyster mushroom recipe that's great as a side dish or a filling meal all in itself. We'll kick today's recipe off with about 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a large frying or sauté pan on medium heat. We'll add 3 cups of fresh cut and washed green beans, give those a quick stir, cover them up, and allow them to cook for about 20 minutes to begin to soften. And as soon as the green beans are fork tender, it's time to add the rest of our ingredients. We have about 12 ounces of washed and cut oyster mushrooms, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of dried onion flake, 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, and the star of the show, our El Yucateco Marisquera Black. We'll go with about 1.5 ounces for today's recipe. Just give all that a good mix, cover it up, and allow it to cook for an additional 10 minutes. Then it's time to serve it up. We hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Till next time, remember to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor. See you on the next one.